Hello and welcome. Today we're looking at Ccleaner. It's a simple, easy to use PC cleaner that boosts performance and speed wise on your computer. So we'll go and get it. We're going to find the program. So open up your browser, ccleaner.com. Now it's going to redirect you to their website. It's very simple. You can download it for PC. It works on Windows 7, Vista, XP, and also works back on Windows 2000. It's also available for Mac as well. So we're going to click download. You can download any of these file servers here, file hippo, which I'm going to select, and I'm getting the latest version. Now I have already this on my system, so I don't need to download it again. And here it is on my desktop. It's a simple installation. All you have to do is follow the instructions on screen, next, and as simple as that. Now after it creates the icon on your desktop, it will bring you up in this page here. So it's a simple layout, there's nothing fancy, it's perfect what we need it for. So as we can see here, on our main menu here, it's the cleaner part of it here, these little tabs. All these boxes indicate what's going to be cleaned. So it's going to clean out the Internet Explorer temporary files, the history, the cookies, the last download locations, stuff like that. It's also going to clean out stuff from Windows as well, like a recycle bin, temporary files, clipboard, memory dump, stuff like that. We can select them, deselect them. I'm going to select recycle bin. I'm not going to select history because I want my history in Internet Explorer, but that's totally up to yourself what you need to. Now there's a tab here for our third-party applications like Firefox, Adobe Reader. It also does it for Zone Alarm Logs, which is my firewall. It also does for Adobe Flash Player. Small programs like this. It just kind of creates a little bit of temporary history on themselves, or temporary files that got stored somewhere. And so what it's going to do is going to search all their files out, and it's going to delete them all. So once you're happy with what it's ticked and everything else like that, what programs you want to get all your all the temporary files from these programs from, all you have to do is click Analyze. So what it's going to do, it is going to search through the system. Now at the moment here I have Firefox open, so I'm just going to close out of that. And click OK. Now, as it comes back, it's taking about 12 seconds to run through it. It's found about 3 gigs of data to delete, and they give you a list down on where everything is coming from. So you can tell the biggest pile of waste is hanging in the recycle bin, and there's also a bit in the internet cache in Firefox. My system ran it pretty fast. Your system might run a bit slow if you're doing this for the first time and stuff. Just let it run through and it should come back with results. So from here you can select. You may maybe see like recycle bin. I don't want to empty my recycle bin because I got stuff in it what I might need or something like that. So all you have to do is just tick it off here, run the analyze again, and then once you're happy with that, that's fine. Once you're happy with what it's doing, all you have to do is click Run Cleaner. It'll ask you, do you want to proceed? That's fine. Click OK, and job done. And it's as simple as that. Now, it doesn't take too long to delete it all. It's removed 24 megs from me. I didn't want it to delete the recycle bin there, so I took that off, and that's why it's that. So it's as simple as that. That's how to delete all your temporary files, all the waste files that are hanging around in your computer, what could slow it down. So after that, here we have the registry cleaner. Here it's going to clean out your system. Obviously, file paths and stuff like that, or programs what you uninstall from your system. So quite simply, all you have to do is click Scan for Issues. It's going to scan through the system. Here it could take approximately about less than a minute. Maybe sometimes if you have loads of if it's a fairly kind of older system, there might be a lot of registry file problems. Now if you look through the list here, you can see that I don't have Bitdefender and stuff like that. It just removes the stuff that's left behind by programs and stuff like that, what might be lurking around it doesn't lead anywhere. It just kind of cleans stuff into kind of a neat pile of your registry. So here it all is, and all you have to do with that is fix selected issues down at the bottom here. You can back up your registry. Sometimes it's useful to back it up. Like I'm going to say yes to that. I'm going to save on my desktop. That's fine. Yes, and there is over 236 issues, and you can fix all selected issues, and as simple as that. And that's done. Now you probably won't find much performance out of that. Generally, registry cleaners don't get you much performance from your PC and stuff like that. That's it. Like, don't be paying big money for like registry boosts and stuff like that tell you system's going slow because the registry is all clogged up. It ain't true. It just ain't true. Like, okay, so now we're going to go for this third tab down called Tools, and in here we've got a simple uninstall feature. You select your program you want, uninstall, pretty simple. Startup, this is where your computers, while your programs are starting up. As we look down the list here, stuff like what be on your taskbar or in your tray icons and stuff like that. You can select these, you can create a little virtual box over it, disable them all. If you just want nothing to be started up, it makes a quick start up. I've selected a few here. The ones in grey are ones that I've deselected myself. The ones in kind of a darker black are the ones that are on, which I want on. But if you take them all off, it's not going to do any effect on your system. And you also can go back over again to enable or disable. As simple as that. So, third menu down here, System Restore. If you ever want to go back on your system restore, it's very nice, simple, just picks it up there. And last and least is options. Here you can just change settings and stuff like that. You can also add run Ccleaner on the recycle bin if you right click on it there. Stuff like that, automatic updates, stuff like that, changing the language to English, Spanish, German, whatever. And that's that. If I just go back up to Tools, I forgot. There is also a drive wiper. So if you've got an external hard drive plugged in or a memory stick or something like that, and you want to completely wipe whatever is on it, you can use this tool. So basically select it. Now you can do a simple, advanced, complex, or very complex overwrite. Simple overwrite will do perfectly fine. Very complex, it could take a range of hours to do that if it's a large drive. Simple overwrite will just clean it all off, kind of wipes it all, and that's it. And just click on wipe on that.